Baking soda face mask. Baking soda is great for reducing acne, removing excess sebum, dealing with blackheads, and lightening the skin. Is it okay to use baking soda on skin? There is a simple rule, which says that whatever we eat, we can put it on our skin. Somebody may say that soda is too alkaline for the skin, which has a slightly acidic pH. But actually our skin can adapt, and won't go out of balance, if you only use just half a teaspoon of soda, once a week. Let's see how to make baking soda face mask. 1. Brightening mask with baking soda, lemon, and yogurt. This mask is effective against acne and acne scars, because limonene, contained in lemon oil, can visibly lighten the scars. Yogurt moisturizes your face, and prevents acne-causing bacteria from growing. Take a small bowl, and make a creamy mixture in it, from the following ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, and 1 drop of lemon essential oil. Apply it on your face, and leave it on for up to 10 minutes, then rinse the mask off with warm water, and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Keep in mind that you need to use some plain yogurt for this mask, such as Greek yogurt. Another quick reminder, use baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and not baking powder. 2. Simple and quick mask. This one is good for pesky little blackheads. Take 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of water, and mix these ingredients in a small bowl, until you get a creamy mixture. It should not be too watery. Apply the mixture onto your clean face, in gentle circular motions. Keep the mask on the face for 5–10 minutes, then rinse off with tepid water. Pat your face dry, and apply a natural skin moisturizer, such as shea butter. A pea-sized amount is enough. 3. Fix the blemishes. When you combine baking soda with honey, it effectively reduces scars and blemishes. You need to make a paste by whipping up these ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and 1 drop of lavender essential oil. Slather the mask using your clean fingers onto your clean face. Leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off gently with warm water, and pat dry using a soft towel. If you feel some tingling sensation, it's okay, since baking soda causes it. But rinse the mask off immediately, if the tingling turns to be severely uncomfortable. The safe way of action is to make a patch test with baking soda on your inner elbow, to see whether you are allergic to baking soda or not. If there is itchiness, irritation, and severe skin redness, then you might be allergic, and therefore should rinse the baking soda off your skin immediately.